Why so serious?
So what I'm gonna work on now, again, see, this window is not done yet. So I'm waiting on that to get done. I gotta go back and get that done because he ran out of material, out of film. So that's the hold up on that. But other than that, you can see that thing still look dark. And then when you pull up, you're like, fishbowl. You see right there, you barely can see it. But once they get on there, it's gonna be a different story, different ball game. And you see that eyebrow in there too. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. So what I wanted to do for this mod was, when the tint was completely done, was put on my decals. So I am going to make my decals. So what I'm doing is, I have this tool right here, this digital caliper. I want to measure out how big my Instagram logo will be. So let's turn this thing on. So what I was thinking was around probably like 1.5 inches, maybe. So I'm gonna go like 1.5 inches for the Instagram logo. And then now for the front, see, I got this right here. So the reason I got this again is because hold on, I'm still recording on the phone, is because I make my own clothing brand, Serious Mindset Apparel. So make sure you stay tuned. Gonna be some fire. It's gonna be a fire release. So patience is a virtue. So quality. But anyway, you know, I had to plug in that. What's the serious? But I have this. So I was thinking about, and I'm working with my phone because I don't have my camera still died. So I said, forget it, just keep on recording. So we're gonna try to get the best. I just want to show you guys. See, look, see on my chin. So I was thinking about going 12. That's gonna be too much. It's gonna be too long. So I think I'm gonna go about 10. I'm gonna go about 10 inches. So I hope that showed real good, but I'm gonna go about 10 inches for the length of the words Serious Lanes. And then I'm gonna also have my YouTube as well right here. So the YouTube is gonna be different, but I need to make sure that everything is still identical. So it might be 10, it might be something else, but here or there. So either way it go, this is where the branding is gonna go. It's gonna go here, and then I'm gonna do something different with the back and the front. So I might come here, maybe with yellow, I don't know, so we'll see. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you guys the ins and outs of this. So, you know, if you have the capabilities of making your own decal, you know, you guys can do that. All right, so we are in. I'm not gonna show too much of my office space, but look at that fire. Look at that. That's gold, by the way. Fire, quality control. But anyway, as you see here, don't judge. I have this program, and check out the other Instagram. I mean my other YouTube channel, which is Serious Mindset, where I go over rebuilding my brand. But you can see here, I already had it set up. You can see there, it's going to be 1.5 inches, and then here I have this long at 11. So I'm gonna change that to, we're gonna go to 10. We're gonna change that to 10. So the height is gonna be 1 inch. I don't know if I want that to be 1 inch. So give or take 1 inch, it's gonna give me about right there. So, which is that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like bad lighting, but give or take, it's gonna be like that. So let me figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a mock-up, and then I'm gonna show you guys, and then go from there. See, I'm gonna do see, it's kind of hard, man. I wish I had I'm gonna have to play with it. Now this is not gonna stay. Oh, okay. That's what it's gonna look like. That might be too big. No, I think that fit just right. Serious Lines, you can see that. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the Instagram, and then we're gonna have the YouTube. Oh yeah, I think that fit. I think that looks just right. You don't want it to be too big. You want it to be just right. So I don't know. I think I might go down a little bit more on that. I don't know. I might go down a little bit more on it. Oh no! Don't stick! Don't stick! Don't stick! So I'm gonna make another version of this, but I'm gonna go down in the font. I'm gonna go down in the font because I want people to come up to it and be like, "Oh, okay." So I don't know if I want it like this or I'm gonna go smaller. I'm gonna see because I don't really know how everybody else is doing it. So you'll see when I put it on. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything on there, and then we're gonna go from there. But just to show you that you can make anything. Like I said, a whole bunch of mods are coming for this baby right here. I still haven't gave it a name, but needless to say, that Bumblebee is staying. That thing is staying because it just looks so clean on there. Ooh. Oh, look. And then when I was driving, because you know, again, these windows are not tinted on the side. So the guy pulled up on me. He pulled up on the side of me and he was just like thumbs up, just like, yeah. So like I said, this thing right here is a attention grabber. And all it is just promo, free promo. Promote yourself. If you gonna do it like I'm doing YouTube for this car, I'm gonna promote it. I have to promote it, right? So at the end of the day, when I'm in the parking lot or somebody see it, they already know. Okay, that's Serious Lane, man. You know, like I said, we're gonna make some things happen with this thing. So I'm starting from the bottom with this channel. Like, hey, let's grow, baby. Let's grow. Make sure you hit that like, that sub button, and then I will show you the finished product on this thing. Look at that. Raining. I knew it was gonna rain, but look, check this out. So I already got the first one on. I think for the other decal, I think I'm gonna put that one on. That one's gonna go on the truck. So it might go on the left, might go on the right, but I think that's a perfect addition right there. Got the little underscore, so make sure you follow the Instagram Serious_Lanes. That's the car page. My page is SeriousMindset, so I'm gonna see how I'm gonna integrate that. So, damn. Let's see how this thing going. Alright, so let me go ahead and get this thing on there. And then I will get back with you guys. Alright, that's how that thing look. So nice, clean, and settled, not too big. So if you see it, you're gonna go to the Instagram. Oh, look at that. It looks so clean. Look at that. Hold on, get that down low look. Oh yeah. So a lot of things coming for that Scat wide body and that RT. I want to make sure I don't give too much love to this thing, because you know it's just like a newborn child. You know, you created it and everything. I don't want that truck to be too jealous. So I got a mod that's coming up on the next video. We're gonna do that on the next video. I've been pushing off this mod, but it's needed for the truck. So again, make sure if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, please like, please comment, ask a question how I did it, just in case you want to do it. Make sure that thing on there. Oh, that thing hot. Again, the vinyl that I use, you will have to have a heat gun to heat it up to get it on there and have like a little squeegee. Let me see my little squeegee. See, I burned my squeegee trying to get that thing hot to activate that adhesive. So if you got any questions, just comment below or whatnot, and let me know what you think, or if you're trying to do it, I'll help you out. But anyway, make sure you hit the subscribe button again. But at the end of the day, stay serious. Why so serious? Why so serious?